Hey everyone, it's Jacob from Peterson Outdoor Films. Happy you could join us today. So the purpose of this video is to show you a little trick that I've learned for winding up a new tip up. Now, I've had some old tip ups that I've been using for quite a while, and I thought, maybe it's time I purchased some new Frabills online. And what I did was I got this ice line. It's nylon tip up, 30-pound test. And I really like the nylon because it seems to wind a lot better. I've had some other materials that are a little bit firm. So we're going to be using this today. We're also going to be using this 12-volt drill. Any brand will work, it doesn't really matter. And then I always keep a Leatherman and a nail clipper so I can cut the line. And it's really pretty straightforward, but you could either wind it by hand, or you could use a drill and do it in about a fourth of the time. So if you guys like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. We really need your help getting our subscriber base up, and we're always trying to bring you new content every single week. And one last thing I'd like to let you guys know is that we're now on Instagram. So if you're on our YouTube channel and you go up and look at the banner on the right hand side, there's a little button that says Instagram. Go ahead and click that, and that'll take you to Instagram where you can subscribe. We like to put up pictures every week of things that we're doing. Sometimes you might get a little bit of insider information because I'll put up a picture before I typically put up a video. So if you're wondering what's going to come up next, that would be the place to look. So one thing you're going to need to decide before winding your tip up is if you are right-handed or left-handed. So typically when you're right-handed, if you look at this, I'm going to spin this clockwise. Now if I was left-handed, I would probably spin this counterclockwise. So I am right-handed, we'll wind it this way. So what that means then is the drill will need to be in forward position. Open this up. Okay, now watch this. Okay. Cut that rubber band off of there. Alright, now you want to tie a knot on here, and I wouldn't say I'm the best at tying knots, so we're just going to tie a little simple knot to get this started. Okay, and we're just going to do that one more time. Good enough. That's going to hold tight enough to get us started, which is all we really need. Okay, we'll cut off the extra. And now, if you look at the back side of this spool of line, there's this hole in the center, and this is just a sticker on the other side. So What I always do is I'll stick a pen through there. So I've got a pen right here. In fact, we'll cover the ink side. Don't want to get ink on your hands. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and stick that through the center. Just like so. Okay, now you've got the cap on here on this side, so it's going to hold the spool line. I've got my thumb and index finger over here, and if we start to wind this, we'll slowly start to wind it. You want to start slow. And try to evenly disperse the line amongst the reel. Once you've got it covered, you can speed it up quite a bit, as long as you maintain control of everything. So you're probably wondering, okay, well, how much line do I put on there, right? And that's a great question. So the one thing is, if you can see this little hole right here, that's so the flagpole can actually go through and hold the tip up together. You don't want to bypass or go past that that circle, that hole. There's two of them. So that's probably about enough line right there. You know, typically if I get a flag, I'm not going to let it run for a half hour. And if you get a northern, they're going to spool you if you wait too long. So I think that's about good. We're going to snip that off. Well, that's it for today. I really hope that you guys like this video and can find it a little bit educational. I really appreciate the little tips and tricks that I've learned along the way, and it really makes the whole ice fishing experience a lot more enjoyable. So if you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.